ICC Champions Trophy 2025 First semi-final match Australia vs India. Match played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. Australia won the toss, elected to bat first. Australia 49.3 overs, 264 runs all out. Alex Carey is the highest scorer, 57 balls, 61 runs. Then India team best bowling spell Mohammad Shami, 10 overs, no maiden, 48 runs, 3 wickets taken. India 48.1 overs, 264 runs chase, lost by 6 wickets. India won by 4 wickets in this match. India team highest scorer Virat Kohli 98 balls, 84 runs. Then Australia team best bowling spell Nathan Ellis, 10 overs, no maiden, 49 runs, 2 wickets taken. Player of the match Virat Kohli. Congratulations India cricket team.